My name is Beyond, and I have a YouTube channel. It's called Beyond in Africa. I'm from a small Caribbean island called St. Kitts and Nevis. I don't know if you ever heard of it, but it's close to Jamaica. You know, the Caribbean, there's about 15 to 20 islands there. So I'm from St. Kitts and Nevis. I've been in Africa for about 2 months now. I've traveled to Uganda for a month. I was in Uganda for a month. Previous to that, I was in Kenya for 2 weeks, and now I'm back in Kenya now for like a month, coming on to a month, and I'm loving Kenya.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren.
And I'm Maureen.
Yeah, and today we're outside. In case you're wondering, today's gonna be a vlog. We're on our way to meet a very good friend of ours.
And then afterwards, we're going to be getting our hairs done for the first time in a long time. You know?
So you guys, you should look forward to that. You know, people on the comment section have been telling us, oh, twins, you need to make your hair. Twins. There's another one who told us, it's he wasn't patient about it. He was like, twins, you should get wigs. You know, but anyway, we want to try something new for you guys. And I think you guys are going to like that.
And on meeting our friend, he's from either St. Lucia or Jamaica, I'm not sure.
He's from the Caribbean. And so we are going to get to meet him, and we are going to be talking with him a bit. I understand he's been experiencing Africa a little bit. He's been to Kenya, and then he went to Uganda for some time, and now he's back. So we are very excited to meet him. And we want to know what his experience in Kenya has been, you know. And before he came to Kenya, there were some misconceptions and some myths he got to, you know, come and experience and, you know, confirm that they're just myths. I'm very excited to know what he has to say, you know.
And so far, having been in Kenya for a couple of weeks, what he thinks about Kenya. The favorite question we usually like to ask people, we are going to ask to our friend, you know. So guys, come along with us, and then let's just see how it goes.
For those who are watching us, and I know we gain new subscribers every day. So for those ones who are watching us and you don't know where we're from Nairobi, Kenya. Nairobi being the capital city of Kenya. And so guys, this is what Nairobi looks like. I hope you get to enjoy. So we'll see you in a few minutes. So So guys, it's been raining. For those ones who have been keeping up with what's happening in Africa, it's been raining a lot. But I'd say the weather has gotten better. Because there was some weeks back that we were experiencing floods, heavy floods. But right now the weather has gotten better, and you guys, when I tell you, it's really green. It's really green. And it's a beautiful day. Right now it's midday. Imagine, it's midday and it's looking like this.
Like morning.
It's
nearly lunchtime.
But I'm seeing some people, mostly foreigners, who are just, you know, walking around without sweaters.
And we are covered in clothing.
Look at us guys.
They're covered in clothing, and they're just walking with their bare chest. I'm like, oh wow.
But I'm guessing it's because where they're coming from, the weather is way worse.
Kenya, we usually hear that. For those who are watching us and you've been to Kenya, would you agree with that statement? Although we know it's true, but you know, America, UK, it's way colder than Kenya. It's what we usually hear. So, Maren,
yes,
talk to me. How do you feel?
Wow, that's an ambiguous question.
Why? I feel this is a beautiful day. Guys,
is.
see, man, see, it is a beautiful day.
Right.
When I ask you how do you feel, you're supposed to be telling me, I feel rejuvenated because of this beautiful greenery.
Yeah. Well, that's my answer. That is your feeling, yeah. But me, to be honest, I'm feeling a little bit exhausted.
Why?
I feel like I need to rest. I've been up and down, so I need to rest a bit. Yeah, but that's no issue.
They say you rest when you get to heaven. Right now, you have to work it, girl.
Yeah, so guys, just look at how green this place is.
Yeah,
this is very, very beautiful. And then they normally say Nairobi is the most green. They normally say, you guys, they normally say Nairobi is the most green city. I don't know how true that is, but a lot of people have agreed that it is the most green. If you think you have a different opinion, you can leave it on the comment section. And if it's your first time on this channel, you can consider subscribing. We'll appreciate it very much.
Yeah, so they say that Nairobi is the greenest city in the world.
Right. You guys, let me show you something. Just turn the camera for them. Although we are not supposed to be recording, that place there, that is where the national the national local station is. It's called KBC, Kenya Broadcast Corporation, and
the national TV station.
Yeah, it actually belongs to the government, right? And you guys, when we tell you that we intend,
I don't want to show it,
right? But this is one of their presenters. She's called Chiksha Aurora. And guys, when I tell you, you can just show that one. You can show them.
Yeah, so she's called Chiksha Aurora.
Why don't you want to show them?
Because I don't want to get arrested, Maren.
It's a KBC.
Poor
Maureen Maren. Thank you. So guys, when we tell you we used to intern in that building, we used to intern there.
Good days,
right? And we used to be in the department of news editing. News editing,
video editing. So
video editing, we used to edit the news that goes on.
Yes,
right. And it was quite the experience.
You make the president look good.
You make the president look good. You know, that's a national station, and it's owned by the government. It's not a private station.
Yeah.
So
he's the one who, well, technically he's not the one who literally pays your salary, although interns are not paid in KBC, but privately owned stations, news stations, some of them pay their interns,
right?
Just our shameless national station. I didn't say nothing.
So guys, this is one of our Fairmont, the Norfolk, Fairmont, the Norfolk. It's one of the five-star hotels in Kenya, and even you can see the area where you stay here. It's very expensive as a foreigner to stay here. Actually, a lot of foreigners stay here. Yeah, and it's quite expensive. You part with a lot of cash. So guys, you can see the environment. Hopefully we can get to give you a little tour, and then not today, maybe another time. Yeah. So on the opposite of that is a building called Nairobi University, and
it's one of the biggest universities.
Guys,
we are going to check in, and then we'll be back with you later.
Action. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We finally have met the person we were going to meet with. We had talked to you about earlier, and beyond. So okay, let me tell you a funny story. The first time when we started communicating, I was actually calling you Bijon. Yeah. So do you find that a lot?
Oh yeah, especially at home, people say Bijon. But how did you know? Like to call me Beyond?
Because your YouTube channel. I heard you say, "Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Beyond," and then I was like, "Goodness, we've been saying it wrong."
Yeah, a lot of people, even at home, especially people say Bijon, but I guess it's pronounced Beyond.
Okay.
Yeah, the J is silent.
All right. So I'm just going to let you introduce yourself to our audience, and then we can carry on with our conversation.
Nice.
Right?